Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to transfer your Chainlink Link tokens from Bitrue to Coinbase in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your crypto safe. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Coinbase, and that you have some Link in your Bitrue wallet. Start by logging into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section to find your Chainlink balance. It's super important to verify that you have enough Link to cover any network fees. Those can add up. Next, navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer Out option for Chainlink. You'll need to select the Link token from the drop-down menu. Now, here's a crucial step. Copy your Coinbase wallet address. To get that, log into your Coinbase account, go to your wallet, find Chainlink, and click on the Deposit option. It should give you a unique address. Make sure it's for the Ethereum network since Link is an ERC20 token. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Bitrue. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Enter the amount of Link you want to transfer, review the transaction details like fees and estimated time, and then hit Confirm. You'll probably need to complete a two-factor authentication for security. After you initiate the transfer, sit tight. Blockchain transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, head back to Coinbase and check your wallet. Your Link should appear soon. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Chainlink from Bitrue to Coinbase. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange support or double-check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.